What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Better Now by Malone. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and once you're done with the video, check the description below. I've left a link there for you guys for a free ebook I'm giving away called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. The ebook is just a little gift I like to give away to everybody new coming to the channel and checking out the content. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go grab your free ebook. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, so for this song, you're starting out with your capo on your 3rd fret. And then you only need 4 chords. It's going to be A minor for your first one. That's your index finger on your 1st string, on your B string, or your 1st fret on your B string for your index finger, your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your D string, and your ring finger on your 2nd fret on your G string. Then you're going to a D major. What that is your index finger on your 2nd fret on your G string, your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B string, and then your middle finger on your 2nd fret on your E string, your high E string. So index finger, 2nd fret, G string, ring finger, 3rd fret, B string, and then middle finger, tiniest string, your E string on your 2nd fret. 3rd chord is going to be a G. So pinky finger on your 3rd fret on your tiniest E string, ring finger on your 3rd fret on your B string, middle finger on your low E string on your 3rd fret, and then your index finger on your 2nd fret on your A string. And then your last chord is a C. I don't play it as a full C. I just use my middle finger and my ring finger. I put my ring finger on my 3rd fret on my A string, and then my middle finger on my 2nd fret on my D string, and then I play that open. Typically you have a C like this. I leave my index finger off to give it a little bit of dissonance because it sounds cool with the song. It sounds like this. The strumming pattern for this song is also very simple. It's just going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's for all 4 chords, so it looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time, a little bit slower. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and also go get your free ebook in the description below. If this video is helpful for you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, leave any questions or comments or concerns that you have in the comment section below. Also, any other songs that you would like me to teach you, leave those in the comment section below as well, and we'll see you guys in the next video.